Hello everybody, Luke here from Linders in Chapelizod. Today we're going to go through a video on a 2014 Audi A3. This is a 1.4 petrol, puts out 150 brake horsepower, and you can own this fantastic piece of kit for only $17,995. So we're going to have a little walk around of this car, show you how clean it is, and then we'll go into the interior on it. So as you can see, it is a lovely grey metallic, sitting on lovely 17-inch alloy wheels, low profile tyres. It's got chrome around the windows, slightly rear tinted back section as you can see, and it's got factory fitted rear parking sensors. Really nice. What we're going to do now is we're going to have a little look at the driver's interior. So as you can see, this car has a really nice looking interior. It's got sports type interior, which is fabric, height adjustable driver's seat, center armrest. This is a 6-speed gearbox. We've got electric handbrake there also. Then we've got the air conditioning on this model. We've got stop start on this model as well. And then we've got a lovely flip out screen here. Not to mention the hands-free Bluetooth multi-function steering wheel as well. Height adjustable steering wheel at that. And there is also auto lights, fog lights on this one as well. And we've got heated electric mirrors, front and rear electric windows. We're going to have a little look at the rear of the car. So here we have the rear of the Audi A3 Sportback. Really nice looking, as you can see. Loads and loads of leg room. Really comfortable looking seats with ISOFIX. We're going to have a look at the boot space. Really good size boot space for the size of the car, as you can see. Pulling this up to give us our spare wheel and jack kit under there. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video on the Audi A3. It is an absolutely mint looking car. This has a full service history with this car. There's just 92,000 kilometers on it, which is quite low as well for a 5-year-old car. Any other questions, do give me a call. 6299653 is my direct line, or alternatively 6299600. And thanks very much for watching.